Hi, this is Dennis at MarineMax. Today we're going to look at a 203 DC deck boat by NauticStar. This boat is equipped with a Yamaha 115 super high output 4-stroke engine. Comes with a aluminum prop for this boat. Plenty of speed, plenty of Yamaha reliability. This is an excellent power source for this boat. It does have a swim pad on both sides, so you can walk across the transom on the swim pad as well. This boat comes with a ski ladder that is also covered in sea deck, and it gives you a nice firm feeling on this deck when the boat's moving around out on the water. We do have grab handles here as you enter the boat. You come to the walk-through. This does open and close so you don't mark your seat cushions up. There is also your battery switch over here on the starboard side of the boat as well. As we walk through this boat, there's a generous amount of storage on this boat. We've got a self-bailing cooler here in the aft section of the boat. We've got a hinged storage over here for life jackets, lines, etc. This also does come with a table. As you can see, the table's right here, and we have a mount that mounts right here in the aft portion of the boat. This boat also comes with a captain's seat with a baluster. It comes with full analog gauges. It also does come with a 5-inch simrad, which can be GPS and a navigation aid as well. Tilt steering wheel. Here's all your controls for your bilges, your master power switch. Comes with a infinity stereo system with 4 speakers. Here's your helm, generous amount of cup holders as you can see throughout the boat. It does come with a sink as well. Again, another cooler at midship on this boat, accompanied by a generous amount of storage under the helm. This boat also comes with a very generous ski locker. Lots of room in this boat for lots of gear. Very deep. You can put your keys in there, your tubes, etc. Going forward on this boat, you have hinged storage on this boat as well. Port and starboard. You can put your anchors in there, lines, etc. Coming up on here, this is a true deck boat, so you have a ski ladder up front. You have your anchor storage up front. You have headlights up front and cup holders as well. So you have a lot of room on this boat to move around, and you can be up here watching the kids, hanging out with the family. There's just a lot of room up in the front of this boat. If this is the boat that you would like to own, come see us at Lake Wylie Marina. It's 803-831-2101.